Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to archive a chat on Gmail using the updated method. Let's go through the steps together. To archive a chat on Gmail. 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Locate and open the Gmail application on your Android smartphone or tablet. You can typically find the Gmail app among your other installed apps. 2. Tap on the conversation you want to archive. Within the Gmail app, navigate to the conversation or email thread that you wish to archive. Tap on the specific conversation to select it. 3. At the top, tap the archive icon. Once you have selected the conversation, look for the archive icon at the top of the screen. It is usually represented by an icon that resembles a box with a downward arrow. 4. Tap on the archive icon to archive the conversation. Simply tap on the archive icon to move the selected conversation to the archived folder in your Gmail account. Archiving a chat removes it from your main inbox but retains it in your account for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively archive a chat on Gmail using your Android device. Archiving conversations helps you declutter your inbox while still retaining access to the messages when needed. This feature is particularly useful for organizing your emails and keeping your inbox tidy.